Hello all, today in this video I am going to show how to resize the image. So in order to resize the image, the library which I am using is PIL. In the first line you can see I am just imported the library, so we can run this code. Now I am just calling the image by using the I have to resize by using this I am image open function. So this is the original image which I am having. So in this image I have to resize. So to resize this image I'm just want to know the width and height of the image. So I'm just knowing the width and height of the image by using the im size function. So not only to resize the image I have to crop the image. So I'm just cropping it from left, then top, right and bottom. So for that I'm just using the height images. So if you want to use the width means you can just here replace the height by width. So then I'm just calling all these crop functions in a im dot crop function. So then the new size which I'm giving as 300 as 300. So the I'm just calling this new size, and then I'm just calling showing displaying the image. So now then we can run this code. So you can see the difference. So once it has completed execution, you can see the difference between the original image and the image which we have resized. So this is the resized image and this is the original image. You can see, just see the images. Uh, so um, if you want to crop some other point means just you have to give that modify that point. So this is the difference between original image and the resize image. You have to just specify the uh, number for top, bottom and side, and by using the height and width. So for that only we just calculated the height and width of the original image. And now uh, rather than the previous images, now you can see here the height and width is same when in compared to the resized image, but when compared to the original image the height and width is differ. So this is the code for resizing an image in Python. So in the next video you can see some other Python basic image processing tips and tricks. Thank you.